Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I did on my nails this week. I used tips, they're from Pro Impressions, they're the non-blending tips because I'm a little bit lazy. So I just applied these and shaped them into a stiletto shape. I went in with my missubeauty primer to prep my nails. I've already pushed back my cuticles, and as you can see I have already shaped the nails into the stiletto forms, stiletto tip, sorry. So I'm just applying a very thin layer of missubeauty's base coat, which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So this week I am trying out another new product. It's another version of the Brush Up Builder Gel that I received from missubeauty. It's absolutely gorgeous and it's so easy to use and I love it to bits. So I just cured those in my LED lamp, and then I went in with gel polish strengthener. Again, a thin layer, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So here is the Brush Up Builder Gel that I received from missubeauty. It's 01 and it's called Bare, so it's completely clear. So I just go in with a thin layer of this on the nail, and then I apply this to all my nails, and then I cure it each time, each layer, for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And I actually go in with 3 layers just to make sure that there is enough on the nail so that the apex is built up as well and the nail is thick enough so it doesn't snap off. It's really simple to use is this, so just cap the edges as well, make sure that it won't lift off the nail tips. So yeah, it's really easy to use, it is amazing, it's so much easier than using gel in a pot and like a gel brush. It's brilliant, it's just like applying gel polish. I love it. It's just a little bit thicker than normal gel polish, obviously, because you don't want it to be thin, otherwise it won't be thick enough on your nails and your nails will snap in half. So yeah, so I'm going in with my second coat, which then I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So this Brush Up Builder Gel is on the missubeauty website for £13 plus VAT, and don't forget, as always, I do have a 10% discount code for you all to take advantage of, so check that out if you can, guys. You will not be disappointed with this new product. I love it to bits, and I will leave the link to this in the description box below for you to check out. So now I'm just wiping away the tacky layer with some gel residue remover and a cotton pad, and then I go in with a nail file and I just smooth it all off, make sure that it's lovely and smooth and ready for gel polish application. So the one amazing thing that I really do love about this Brush Up Builder Gel is that there is hardly any filing needed, which is amazing, and it saves me so much time. And I don't know about anybody else, but my hands do ache after a while if I've done a lot of hand filing, so yeah, it's brilliant. So here is the colour that I used. It's KC number 13 and it's in the 4-in-1 gel polish range. So there's no primer needed, no base coat and no top coat. it is literally just 2 coats of this gel polish and you're done. I love it. So I just apply 2 coats of this and I cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So then I go in with my diamond glitter in the shade Citrine, or the glitter colour Citrine. It's like a gold, it's absolutely gorgeous. And I just apply this to my ring finger with my number 6 gel brush. As you can see, there it goes, it's beautiful. So yeah, I just apply this on this nail and I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then what I do is with Citrine, I just go in around the cuticle area of my nails using the same brush, and I just drag it down from the cuticle, apply it to the cuticle area, sorry, and drag it down in an ombre effect. And then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And so to top those nails off, I just apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat from missubeauty, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then to finish off, I just apply my missubeauty's cuticle oil here. It's so fabulous. It's in a brush pen. It's so easy to use and it's not as messy as a dropper. It's brilliant. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up as usual, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I will leave all links in the description box for you all to check out the products that I used in this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.